Hey, I'm curious. Have you ever wanted to know how to apply the law of attraction to your benefit? Maybe you've been stuck and you think, I know about the law of attraction, but I've never really gotten it to work for me, or it's not happening as fast as I want. This is what you're going to learn in this workshop, how to set manifestation-based goals for 2021. And you're not really only going to get the information for setting goals for 2021, it's far beyond that. And if you've already set your 2021 goals, that's okay. You're going to expand your awareness about universal laws and how they work, because here's the thing. A lot of people will say, I've tried the law of attraction, it doesn't really work. I don't feel magnetic, nothing's happening, things aren't happening as fast as they want. And that's because you don't really understand how the universal laws work. It's our job to help you understand how to align your energy, your mind, and your mindset so that you can get into inspired action to have the results you want, which is your manifestation. So it's always the be, do, have model, and that's what you're going to learn in this workshop. I'm going to teach you the top foundational universal laws that are either blocking you the way that you're implementing them or propelling you toward the success that you say you want to create. So you're going to learn the foundational universal laws. We're going to have a roadmap for your goals for 2021, and you're also going to set your 5 lifelong goals that are the 5 lifetime goals that are going to help pull you into the success that you want to create. We are going to help you overcome procrastination and help you get into inspired action. Procrastination is about fear, a lack of alignment, a lack of clarity. We're going to talk about all of these things. On top of this, we're going to have breakout sessions so you get to hang out and learn and connect and grow with other like-minded entrepreneurs who are on the same page as you, building businesses they love, wanting to increase their impact and income, and wanting to understand how to be manifestation masters. If you don't know my backstory yet, I went from food stamps to building a 6-figure business in under 3 years. My first full-time year in business, I broke the 6-figure mark, and I did this by applying everything that I'm going to teach you in this workshop. It's going to be that introductory level of universal laws, magnetism, law of cause and effect, how to raise your vibrational frequency so you can attract what you want your way instead of having to work so hard. One of the biggest beliefs I used to have was that you have to work really hard to make money. And as I've learned how to apply universal laws like law of attraction and understanding how my energy and what I put out there is actually attracting things my way, I can't even tell you what's changed for me. And this is what I teach my clients. This is all of the work I do in the world. And that's what you're going to get at this workshop. Friday night, December 4th, where you're going to have an orientation, introduction, welcome. We'll do a meditation. We'll get to know each other. And then on Saturday, we'll have a full day, December 5th, from 9 to 5. You'll get an hour lunch. Everything's over Zoom. And we're going to be workshop style. So you're going to get PDF takeaways. We're going to do breakouts with other entrepreneurs. We're going to have some training time. There's plenty of time for Q&A. And I want you to walk away feeling empowered to set your 2021 up for massive success because you understand what's been keeping you held back, or you understand what's going to propel you forward. Either way, maybe you're already on the road toward understanding how to apply the law of attraction and you have some magnetism flowing and you feel like, okay, yeah, I'm manifesting some of what I want. Well, let's just excel and expand that so you can get there even faster. It's going to be a really fun time. This is an awesome community of people that I've built around the NFA tribe. Really, you wouldn't be here unless something attracted you my way. So I trust that if this aligns with you, you will be there. Don't forget there's an early bird price if you enroll before Black Friday, which is November 27th. By midnight Mountain Standard Time, you will get $50 off the workshop, which is already a smoking deal. I really made the price very affordable for everybody because I want you to be there. If you have questions, feel free to email me at dramanda@nfacoaching.com. I'll answer any of your questions. I really want you there if this is something that you feel like aligns and is going to set you up for success for 2021. This is my jam. It is what I love to teach people. So it's going to be a really fun time. All right. NFA high fives, hugs. Can't wait to see you there to help you become a manifestation master.